Hey guys, in this video I'm going to speak about a new type of operator that is relatively only in Python, and that is the membership operator. So if you're ready, let's dive right into it. The membership operator is a unique operator in Python. There are two different types of membership operators, and that is the in and the not in operators. Let's first go over the in operator. The in operator checks if a sequence or value is in an object. For example, I have the string hello and I want to check if the letter L exists. Well, by using the in operator, all I would have to do is call the letter I want to check, which is L in this case, and check to see if it exists in the string hello, which it does. So that is how the in operator is used. The not in operator is the exact opposite and checks to see if the sequence or value is not in the object. For example, I want to check if the number 5 is in the string bunny. Well, I would call the character or a sequence I want to check, which in this case is 5, and then type not in to check if 5 is not in the string bunny. And this will return true because 5 is not in the string bunny. Now that we know the logic and theory behind the membership operator, let's check it out in Python. Hey guys, so here I am on my desktop, and let's just hop over to Visual Studio Code. So I already have a file called membershipoperators.py, and now I'm going to go create a variable and call it myStir for string, and I'm going to assign it the string A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So now the thing about a membership operator, which I've already stated previously, the purpose of this operator is to see if a sequence or a character is in an object. So our object right here is myStir, or the string A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And we want to see if A is in the string. So to do that, we're just going to print this to the terminal, and we're going to type in A, and if A is in myStir, then print true. Otherwise, it will print false. So if we run this, we get true because A is in the string. Now if I did H is not in the string, so it should print false. So if I run that, we get false, and that's correct. Now, you don't have to just use one character, you can also use a sequence of characters. So for example, I could do A, B, and C, and I'm saying if A, B, and C is in my string, then print true, otherwise print false. So if I run it, we get true. Now, of course the order matters, so I can't just do A, C, and B because this does not actually exist in my string. Even though we have the same characters, A, B, and C, or A, C, and B, which we have right here, they're not in the same order. So if we run it, it will be false. And you cannot do that with numbers because there's no such thing. Like, this is an actual number, so this is not something that you could just get an index of. Like a string, you can get the second index, which is this, which we'll speak about indexes and accessing strings a little later in this series. But all you need to know is that membership operators don't really apply to numbers. So that is the in operator. Now the other one is the not in, and this is just the exact opposite of the in. So if I get my string back, A, B, C, D, F, G, and if I print ACB, and I'm saying if ACB is not in my string, then print true, otherwise print false. And this will print true because ACB is not in this. So if I run it, true, because it doesn't exist in my string, so it's going to print true. Now if I do ABC, well, this does exist, but we're trying to check if it does not exist. But since it does exist, we're going to print false. And there we go. So that's it for membership operators. They're pretty straightforward, but when it comes to membership operators in Python, they're a very useful type of operator. So I recommend that you continue to play around with this, and if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe, and I'll see you in future videos.